In today's video, we are going to take a deep dive into Go High Level, covering everything you need to know to get started. Whether you're looking to streamline your CRM, automate your marketing, or scale your business, Go High Level has all the tools you need to succeed. I'll walk you through the platform's features, settings, and integrations, plus break down the pricing options so you can make the best decisions for your business. And I've got a special offer for you by using the link in the description. So first of all is that you want to go into this page by using the affiliate link in the description, and this would help us support the channel. So in here, you'd be able to get a 30-day free trial instead of the 14 days free trial, which is the standard one. So which means you would be getting twice the standard period. This gives you the time you need to explore the platform thoroughly, test its features, and confidently decide which plan best suits your business. It's a smarter way to start with the right tools and make an informed decision. So now, once you're ready, click here on the 30-day free trial and just provide all of your personal details in here and then your payment information. And now we'll be discussing these plans here. So Go High Level offers three core plans. You have the starter plan, which is $97, and then you have the unlimited plan, which is $297, and the SaaS Pro, which is $497. All of these are per month. Now, if you're just getting your feet wet, the starter plan is $97 per month, which is packed with value. You'll get full access to the CRM, sales pipelines, calendar booking, funnel builder, forms, automation, email, and SMS tools. It's honestly stacked. One of the only limitations is that you are capped at 3 sub-accounts, but that's actually a generous jump from the original 1 account limit. And if you're just starting to work with clients, 3 is more than enough to get profitable fast. And now, moving up to the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. This one is perfect for agencies looking to grow without limits. You unlock unlimited sub-accounts plus advanced features like API access for custom integrations and a custom branded desktop app, so your clients can log in through your own domain. It's a big step toward building a legit white labeled platform. Next is the SaaS Pro. So it is $497 per month, which is built for full automation and scaling. Here's the big feature. We have a SaaS mode. This means you can offer your own software as a service for clients so that they can sign up through your site and automatically get their own sub-account. No manual work required. You also get rebilling tools to pass on SMS, email, and AI messaging costs and even profit from them. This is a serious power move, but it's really best for people who have a clear plan, audience, or marketing strategy in place. Beyond that, there are a few optional add-ons, things like white label mobile apps, premium onboarding, and the Eliza platform for centralized account management. But honestly, if you're just starting, you can just ignore those for now. And we also have the basic API and an advanced API plans in here. So yeah, so in simpler terms, if you're just testing the waters, start with the starter plan. Now, if you are building fast, you can go with the unlimited plan, which is your best bet. And if you're now ready to launch your SaaS, then you could go for the SaaS Pro, which would give you everything to go big. So yeah, make sure to use the link in the description when choosing your plan. So as for this video, I'll be using the starter plan. And now, once you have set your subscription and you have now logged in into your account, you will be prompted here into the homepage of Go High Level. And basically, this is the agency view. And we have 2 views in here. You can either go here into the agency view, or you can click here to switch right here, and then you'd be able to see your sub accounts in here, and then you can click one of these accounts, and then you'll be prompted to the sub account view. But for now, let's explore the agency view, which are these options in here. So later on, we'll go into sub accounts. So first is this button here. So basically what this button would do, which is the click here to switch button, is where you could seamlessly toggle between your different sub-accounts. With this feature, you can manage multiple clients or projects without having to lag out and back in. It saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth, especially when handling several accounts at once. Next is your agency dashboard. So in here, you would now be able to go to the central hub where you manage all your sub accounts and monitor your agency's performance. It provides key metrics such as revenue, lead generation, and campaign progress, so you can easily track client activity. This dashboard ensures you stay on top of everything, streamlining your workflow and giving you a high level view of all operations. But as for this one, I would need to connect my Stripe account in order for me to view all of the information here in the agency dashboard. So you can click here on Connect Stripe, and then you'd have this button to connect to your Stripe account. You want to click on that. And then from here, you would need to provide your Stripe details to finalize or confirm your connection to the Go High Level account. Next is we're going to go back, and here we have prospecting. So the prospecting tool helps you generate leads by searching businesses based on industry, location, and other criteria. It pulls up detailed business profiles, including their digital presence, ads, and reputation, so you can target them effectively. This feature streamlines lead generation, making it easier to find clients and scale your business. Next is the sub accounts. So this is basically the similar feature here in the click here to switch. So sub accounts are individual workspaces within your Go High Level account for each of your clients. So in here, you could also switch to your sub accounts. They allow you to manage each client's CRM, sales funnel, automations, and marketing efforts separately. With multiple sub accounts, you can easily serve several clients without mixing data or systems. So in here, we'll dive in more into the sub accounts later on this video. Next is the account snapshots. So the account snapshots lets you save and reuse a full setup of funnels, automations, campaigns, and other assets. You can create a snapshot for a specific client or niche, then apply it to a new sub account to save time. This feature is perfect for agencies, letting you scale quickly without rebuilding from scratch for every new client. Next is reselling. So this is basically the SaaS mode, and SaaS mode lets you white label Go High Level and sell it as your own subscription service. You can set custom pricing, branding, and let customers sign up automatically for their own accounts. This is ideal for agencies or entrepreneurs looking to create a SaaS business or offer a done-for-you service to clients. Next is we have add-ons. So the add-ons section provides extra features like white labeled mobile app, reputation management, and advanced integrations. These are optional upgrades that can make your agency's services more professional and scalable. Add-ons allow you to tailor Go High Level to fit your specific business needs or those of your clients. Next is the affiliate portal. So the affiliate portal allows you to promote Go High Level and earn recurring commissions for each sign up you refer. You'll get a unique link to share, and when somebody subscribes through it, you earn 40% of their monthly fee. It's a great way to generate passive income if you are already using the platform and believe in its value. And now next is the template library. So you can click here. And then from here, you'd see that there is a pop-up that says that we would need an upgraded plan to access the template library with the 497 plan right here and higher, which is the SaaS plan. So as for this one, we will not be proceeding with this, but I'll just give you an overview on what this is all about. So the template library basically gives you access to a wide range of pre-built funnels, websites, emails, and automation workflows. These templates are professionally designed and ready to customize for your business or niche. It's perfect for saving time and jump-starting client setups without building everything from scratch. So this is a very powerful feature. That is why it is only available on the upgraded plan. Now, we're going to go back, and from here, we're going to go into partners. So the partner section connects you with certified Go High Level experts and service providers. Whether you need help with tech setups, design, or strategy, you can find trusted pros to collaborate with. It's a great resource if you want to outsource parts of your agency work or offer more service to clients. Next is university. So the high-level university is packed with tutorials, walkthroughs, and training videos to help you master the platform. It's ideal for both beginners and advanced users who want to dive deeper into marketing, automation, and platform features. You can learn at your own pace and build confidence as you go. So now let's go back, and now we'll be going for the SaaS education right here. So the SaaS Education Hub focuses specifically on teaching you how to run your own SaaS business using Go High Level. It covers everything from pricing strategies and onboarding to sales and scaling. So if you're planning to resell the platform, this section gives you the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Now, the JHL swag. So this is basically the section where you can grab branded merch like shirts, hats, mugs, and more. It's a fun way to show off your support to the platform or wrap your agency with some cool gear. While not essential, it adds a little extra brand pride to your high-level journey. Next is the ideas right here. So in here in the ideas, so this is a section where users can submit feedback and feature requests directly to the Go High Level team. You can also vote on other people's ideas or help shape the future of the platform. It's an open community driven way to stay engaged and make your voice heard. So next is the mobile app. So Go High Level's mobile app allows you to manage your CRM, messages, pipeline, and automations right from your phone. Whether you're following up on leads or checking your calendar, you can stay connected on the go. It's super handy for agency owners or sales reps who need access anytime, anywhere. Next, and the last one is the app marketplace for the agency view. So in here, this app marketplace features integrations and third-party tools that you can connect to Go High Level. From CRMs to payment processors, it helps you expand your functionality and automate your tasks. This is where you can enhance your system to fit your exact business needs. So now next is that we're going to go here into the settings so that you'll know the ins and outs of Go High Level, including the settings here. So we'll be going for the overview. So here in my profile, you'll be able to see the personal details, password, and notification settings for your account, and this is where you can update them. As you can see, I have my dummy email and my dummy phone number in here for my tutorials. So this is where you can see your main personal details. Next is the company. So in here, you can set up your agency's business name, branding, and default contact info. Next is the team. So this is where you can manage your users, roles, and permissions for everyone on your agency or client teams. Next is billing. So this is where you can view and manage your subscription, invoices, and payment methods. Next is the phone integration. So this is where you can connect and manage your Twilio or lead connector numbers for SMS and calling features. Next is we have the email services. So this is where you can set up your email provider like Mailgun or SMTP to send and receive emails inside the platform. Next is we have system emails. So you can customize your default email templates used for accounts notifications and user invites in here. Next is the LC Premium Triggers and Actions. So this is where you can unlock advanced automation tools and logic inside your workflows. Next, we have AI Employee. So you can deploy an AI chatbot to handle conversations, lead follow-ups, and other automated tasks in here. Next, we have Workflow AI. So you can add AI-generated content or responses directly within your workflow automations in this section. Next, we have the domain purchase. So this is where you could buy a new domain directly from Go High Level to use for funnels or email. Next, we have the autocomplete address. So in here, you could enable Google's address autofill in your forms for better lead accuracy. Next is private integrations. So this is where you can manage any custom or internal apps you've integrated via API. Next is the affiliates. So this is where you can join or manage your affiliate account to refer others and earn commissions. Next is that we have the custom menu link. So in here, you could add personalized links or tools to your Go High Level sidebar for quick access. Next is the Stripe. So this is the one that we were in earlier when we were setting up our agency dashboard. And this is where you can simply connect your Stripe account and set it up. Next is our API keys. So this is where we can generate secure API keys to connect Go High Level with third-party platforms or tools. Next is compliance. So this is where you could configure the TCPA, GDPR, and other legal compliance settings for messages and forms. Next is the labs. So you can try out experimental or beta features before they officially launch. And finally, we have audit logs. So this is where you can track user activity and changes made in your account for accountability and security. All right, so now we're done with the settings in here. So I have given you a full overview of the agency view. Now we'll go into our sub accounts. So we're going to click here. And from here, I'm just going to go for this account. Now, in here, we will now be here into the sub account view. As you can see, we now have different buttons or features here on the menu on the left side. So we'll be discussing this. So first one is we have the search bar in here. So the search bar at the top of your sub account is a powerful tool to quickly find anything within your workspace, whether you're looking for a contact, conversation, calendar appointment, or a pipeline opportunity, or even a specific tag or email. You can just type it in here and get results instantly. It pulls from multiple sections across the platform to save you time navigating through menus. As your sub account grows, this tool becomes a huge time saver, especially when managing large client lists or complex workflows. It's like your personal command center. Type what you need and Go High Level finds it for you. Next is the Launchpad. So in here, in the Launchpad, this is your quick start hub designed to get your sub account up and running fast. So this guides you through essential setup steps like connecting your Google account, integrating Facebook, setting up your phone number, and adding your Stripe account. Each step includes a direct link to the necessary area, so it's beginner friendly and very time saving. It's ideal for onboarding new clients or getting your agency setup streamlined. Think of it as a checklist to make sure nothing important is missed before launching campaigns. So now, next is dashboard. So the dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of your account's performance and lead generation stats. You can see key metrics like opportunities created, conversion rates, pipeline values, and tasks at a glance. It also shows how your marketing efforts are performing over time with clean graphs and summaries. It's especially helpful for quickly identifying bottlenecks or checking client progress, which is great for daily check-ins and understanding what's working or what needs fixing. Next is we have conversations. So in here, in conversations, this is the unified inbox where all your SMS, emails, Facebook messages, Google messages, and calls come together. You can respond to leads in real time from one place. No need to jump between platforms. Each message thread includes full context, so your team always knows the full backstory. You can also assign conversations to team members for follow-ups or create a task from them. It's the heart of your client communication and lead nurturing. And next, we have calendars. So the calendar section lets you set up and manage booking calendars for yourself, your team, or for your clients. You can create different calendar types for different services, and you can sync them with Google Calendar and automate reminders. It integrates smoothly with your funnels and forms so leads can book appointments without the back and forth. It's super useful for consultants, sales teams, or any business that relies on appointments. Plus, it keeps everything organized and reduced no-shows. Next is we have contacts. So we'll just go back right here into contacts. Now, in here, this section is your CRM, where all lead and customer data is stored and managed. So you can import, tag, filter, and segment contacts based on behavior, campaigns, or source. Each contact profile includes conversation history, task, notes, and activity logs. You can also launch automations directly from this section based on specific contact triggers. It's where your relationship building begins and stays organized. One of the most powerful tools here would be the Smart List, a dynamic list that updates automatically based on the filters you set, like tag, status, or activity. This makes it super easy to organize leads by life cycle stage, source, campaign behavior, or even form responses, and use that list in marketing or automation. Now, if you would want to import your contacts here in Go High Level, you can just click here on this button. It says Import Contacts. And from here, you would need to complete these steps where you need to select objects and more info, upload the file and configure, and map columns to fields, and confirm and finalize selection. So this all are very simple, so just follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it for the contacts. Now, we'll be moving on into opportunities. So in here, in the opportunity section is where you can manage your sales pipelines and track leads as they move through different stages of your sales process. You can create multiple pipelines, each with customizable stages like this one's right here. For example, new lead, appointment set, proposal sent, and closed one, depending on what you need, so you can just customize them. Each opportunity card include the contact info, deal value, expected close date, and assigned team member. And you can drag and drop them between stages just like a Kanban board. Automations can be triggered when opportunities enter, move between, or exit a stage. This is a powerful way for follow-ups, reminders, or internal team alerts. You can also assign values to each stage and calculate your potential revenue at a glance. It's not just a place to organize leads, it's a full sales forecasting tool that would help you close more deals. You can also filter opportunities by pipelines, source, team member, or even stage, which is great for agencies managing multiple clients. Next is the payment section. So here in payments is that this would let you create and manage invoices like product listings and subscription-based billing directly inside Go High Level without needing the extra tools like Stripe's own dashboard or third-party apps. You can build a single or recurring invoices and send them straight into your contacts with the payment link embedded. It integrates seamlessly with Stripe. So once you connect your account, payments are tracked, recorded, and synced in real time. You can also create products and services inside Go High Level, assign prices, and reuse those in automations or funnel checkouts. So if you're selling courses, consultations, or marketing services, this feature makes it super easy to collect payments inside your funnel pages via automation. For recurring income, subscription billing is fully supported. You'll be able to track failed payments, charge retries, and even cancel or pause subscriptions manually. Combined with automations, payments can trigger welcome emails, onboarding workflows, or updates in your CRM, automating the entire customer journey after purchase. Alright, so now next, let's go into AI agents. So AI agents act as virtual assistants that communicate with your leads through SMS, email, or web chat using natural language processing. You can train them with FAQs and preloaded instructions to ensure they respond accurately and stay on brand. They help qualify leads, schedule appointments, and answer basic questions for your customers 24/7. AI agents can be assigned to workflows or set as default responders in your communication channels. This reduces your workload and ensures you never miss an opportunity to follow up. Next is marketing. So in here, in this section, is where you can create and manage all outbound messaging like email and SMS campaigns. So you can design messages using the drag and drop builder or pull from saved templates. Campaigns can be sent instantly or scheduled, and performance metrics like opens, clicks, and replies are tracked in real time. You can also segment audiences or personalize content to specific groups. And it's your central hub for broadcasting promotions, updates, or nurturing sequences. All right, so now next is automation. So the automation tab is where you can create workflows to handle repetitive tasks and streamline your customer journey. So you can trigger actions based on events like form submissions, tag applications, missed calls, and more. Within each workflow, you can send emails or texts, assign team members, move deals in your pipeline, or even activate AI responses. Conditional logic allows you to branch out your action based on your user behavior, making the experience highly personalized. You can also set delays, internal notes, and integrate with other tools like calendars, payments, and many more. So these automations help you follow up faster, to close leads more efficiently, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're nurturing a new lead or automating post purchase follow up, this is where the magic happens. So now, next is the sites. So the sites section is your go-to place for building websites, funnels, and landing pages using high levels drag and drop editor. You can start from scratch or use pre-built templates to save time. Each page can be connected to forms, calendars, and automation workflows, making it easy to capture leads and follow up. You can connect custom domains, apply SEO settings, and track page analytics. Funnel steps can be optimized for lead generation, product sales, or upsells. You'll also find blogging capabilities and form analytics within this section. Whether you're building a personal brand site or a full sales funnel, everything is managed here visually and intuitively. Next is we have memberships. So as for the membership tab, this would let you create and manage your own online course or gated content platform. You can build membership products with multiple categories and lessons, including video, audio, or written content. Access can be controlled using offers and tied into payment systems to monetize your expertise. So this platform supports full customization with branding, colors, and welcome emails. It's great for coaches, educators, or services providers looking to scale through digital products. And since it's fully integrated, you can trigger automations based on course progress or signups. Next is we have the media storage. So in here, this could act as your internal content library where all your uploaded assets live. So in here, you can upload and organize files such as images, videos, audios, PDF, and many more. And these assets can then be used across funnels, email campaigns, forms, and membership courses. Keeping everything in one place saves time and ensures consistency in your branding. It supports large file uploads and lets you manage storage without relying on third-party tools. And you can easily preview or download assets and duplicate them across sub-accounts if needed. This feature makes your entire content process smoother and more organized. You could also connect your Google Drive storage in here so that it would seamlessly sync your files in Google Drive. And then you always have the option here to upload your new files into your media storage by clicking on this button. Next is reputation. So in here, in the reputation tab, the reputation management helps you monitor, request, and respond to online reviews from platforms like Google and Facebook. You can automate review requests after interactions like appointments, purchases, or form submissions. This system can send a text or email asking for feedback, helping you collect more positive reviews. Negative comments can trigger alerts or redirected to internal follow-up workflows. So you'll see your overall rating, total number of reviews, and customer sentiments in one dashboard. High Level even provides widgets to showcase top reviews on your website. It's a powerful tool for improving trust and visibility online. And now next would be reporting. So here in the reporting tab, this gives you powerful insights into your entire sales and marketing pipeline. You can monitor campaign performance, track attribution, and measure lead conversion metrics in real time. So each report helps you understand which channels are driving results and where leads are dropping off. So Facebook ads and Google ads integration allows you to track ad ROI directly inside here in your dashboard. You can also review call tracking, workflow efficiency, and email engagement. This data helps you make smarter decisions and optimize your effort based on what's actually working. For agencies, you can use this to prove ROI to clients and identify new opportunities. Next is App Marketplace. So the App Marketplace allows you to expand Go High Level's core capabilities by integrating third-party tools and services. You'll find apps for payment gateways, scheduling tools, messaging platforms, and more. Many apps offer one-click installs, making integration fast and easy. The marketplace features both high-level developed tools and community-built apps. It's ideal for users who are needing specialized functionality or want to connect their favorite services. You can browse apps by category, check reviews, and activate the ones that best fits your business. It adds flexibility and customization so your setup grows as your needs evolve. Alright, so now next we'll be going here into the settings of your sub account and discuss the ins and outs. Alright, so first is the business profile. So here in the business profile section, this stores all your company information, including the name, logo, and contact details. This is where you can personalize your sub account to reflect your brand and ensure that you have consistent communication. It's essential for keeping your business details organized, for using them in your emails, messages, and automations. Make sure to keep this up to date so your interactions with clients remain professional and on brand. Next is billing. So here in billing, this would let you manage your payment method, view invoices, and track your subscription status. This section is where you can update your card information or switch to a different plan. You'll also find a breakdown of any past payments and upcoming charges. Staying on top of your billing settings helps avoid service interruptions and ensures everything is paid on time. So as you can see here, you have the Add Payment Method button in here, which you need to click to set up your billing. Next is that you would want to go here into My Staff. So here in My Staff, this section enables you to manage team members with different roles and permissions. So you can assign specific access levels, such as admin, user, or viewer. So in this one, you could also control what each person can see or edit. This section allows you to add new team members or remove those who no longer need access. Proper management here is the key to ensuring team collaboration while protecting sensitive information. Next is the opportunities and pipelines. So in here, this will let you manage and track leads or deals through custom stages of your sales process. You can set up multiple pipelines for different services or products, ensuring each opportunity is followed through with. Automations within the section help you assign tasks, send emails, or move deals forward without manual input. It ensures you don't miss important steps in your sales journey. Next is automation. So in here, these are your control settings for workflows, tags, triggers, and template behavior. This would impact how your automations function without the sub account. Next is calendars. So this is where you can set up your calendars for booking appointments and integrating availability. You can assign users in here and customize time slots easily. Next is that we have the Conversation AI. In here, you would be able to enable and train the AI to automatically respond to incoming lead messages. It can handle replies across multiple channels like SMS or chats. Next is a voice AI agent. So in here, you would be able to configure AI-powered agents to handle live phone conversations using scripts. These agents can respond, route, and manage calls without human intervention. Next is email services. So in here, you can choose and configure the email provider used for sending campaigns and automations. Proper setup ensures high deliverability and domain trust. So next is we have the phone numbers. So in here, you can buy and manage phone numbers for use in calls and text campaigns. Assign numbers to users or workflows depending on your needs. And next here is WhatsApp. So here in WhatsApp, you can link your WhatsApp business account to the sub account through the official API. And once you're connected in here and successfully set up your WhatsApp account, as you can see, you would need a subscription for it. So in here, you would now be able to send and receive WhatsApp messages within workflows and conversations. So now next is the objects. So in here, you would be able to define custom data structures tailored to your business or client workflows. They help extend CRM functionality beyond the default setup. Next would be the custom fields. So in here, you can create and manage fields that capture specific data for contacts, opportunities, or forms. These appear throughout your CRM, forms, and automation steps. Next is custom values. So in here, you can store reusable variables like names, links, or discount codes. They can be inserted into emails, texts, and funnels for dynamic personalization. Next is that we can go and manage scoring. So in here, you can set up rules to score contacts based on actions like opening emails, visiting pages, or submitting forms. Higher scores help prioritize leads. Next is domains. So this is where you can connect custom domains for funnels, websites, and email sending. This would boost your branding and improve your email deliverability. Next is URL redirects. So in here, you can set up custom redirects from one URL to another. It's helpful for forwarding traffic from old links to tracking campaigns. Next up is integrations. So this is where you'd be able to connect third-party tools like Google, Facebook Zoom, and many more such as these apps right here. This power features like appointment syncing, ad tracking, and email connections. Next is private integrations. So in here, you can create or manage custom-built integrations for your specific business workflows. These are often used by developers or advanced users. Next is the conversation providers. So in here, you can choose the messaging platform like Twilio or Lead Connector that power your SMS. So we have already discussed this earlier. So in here, you could also choose WhatsApp as this controls how or where your messages are sent from. Next would be the tags. So this is where you can create and manage tags to organize and segment contacts. Tags are used in automation, filtering, and smart list. Next would be the labs, which is a new one right here. So here in labs, you can access experimental features that go high level is testing. You can turn this on or off based on your preferences. And you could also submit a feedback on one of them if you would want to. Next would be the audit logs. So back here again. So in here, you can track all major actions taken within the sub account like updates, deletions, or users login. So this is great for monitoring team activity and accountability. So now next is a brand board. So you can click here and it will now take you in here into the marketing section under brand boards. So in here, you can now create your first brand board. So what this does is that you could set default fonts, colors, and styles for your funnels, websites, and emails. Keeps all branding consistent across the account. And now lastly, here in the settings is that we have companies. So this is where you'd be able to manage your B2B relationships by associating contacts with companies. You can track company-wide details, contacts, and opportunities once you've set this up. And that's it for the settings in here on your sub-accounts for your Go High level. So now let's go back. So the last things that we'll be discussing will be the buttons here on the top right and the bottom right. So in here, since we are in the sub account view, this is the button that we'll see here on the bottom right. So you'll have a similar button like this when you're in the agency view. So in here, you can click here on the button. And from here, when you click on it, it would now open up the access to the support center where you can search for help, articles, access live chat, or submit a support ticket. But as for this one right here, it is guiding me through a foundational setup. So it is suggesting some steps or actions that I need to do to set up my sub account in here into Go High level to make it up and running. So you can see the tasks that is yet to be completed and then the completed task in here. So I suggest that you complete everything in here to set up your sub account here in High Level effectively. Next are the buttons here on the top, right? So it's basically the same thing if you are in the agency view. So for example, here on the profile, where you'd be able to see the account here on Go High Level that you're assigned in as, and then you can also log out or sign out. And here, the next one, the question mark button, is the help and support, wherein you would be able to go join with a Zoom call right here with their support agents in here in Go High Level. And you'd also be able to see some tutorials and help center, the Facebook group, welcome course, and many more that is necessary if you are running into a problem or there's something that is bugging you in here in Go High Level. And then you have the notifications in here where you'd be able to see the system notifications and alert notifications. Next is the view changelog button. So if you would like to be updated here on the latest updates on Go High Level, like latest features, then this is where you need to regularly check in order for you to receive the news. Next is we have this button right here, the call button or icon. This is where you would be able to use the phone system here in Go High Level, wherein you would need to grant permission to your microphone in here. So you need to update your browser permissions by clicking on Enable and click on Allow while visiting the site, for example. And then when you click here again, you would now be able to purchase phone number to select and so on. So you'd need to purchase a phone number to use this one, or you could just transfer your number here. Next is that if you would want to change into the agency view, then you just simply need to click here and click here on switch to agency view. So now here we are in the agency view, and as you can see, the button here on the bottom right has now changed into this one, and then you now have fewer options in the top right. So this is the agency view, and this is how it would compare to the sub account view. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial for the general overview on Go High Level, on everything you need to know. So I have taken you to the ins and outs of Go High Level so that you'd have an idea on what each of the feature does, and so that you'd have an idea on which ones you need, and maybe it could help you decide on which subscription plan you should get here on Go High Level. So make sure to use the link in the description if you would want to try out or use Go High Level. And that way you'd be able to support the channel by using our affiliate link there. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.